Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. Today's video is about how you can become a host of a Zoom meeting. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching the video till the end. And if you guys do like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and let's get straight into the video without any further ado. So the first thing you can do is open up the website of Zoom, or if you have the Zoom application on your desktop, you can open that up, and from there you can see an option for host. If you hover over this, then you can see a few options. You can host a meeting with a video off, video on, or you can only choose to share your screen. Choose any of the preferred options. Now to send your meeting ID and password or the invitation link to other members, you can again head over to the website and click on My Account and then click on Meetings option and then go to Personal Room. Here you'll find all the information that you need to host a Zoom meeting. You can get your meeting ID from here, and you can also see the passcode of your Zoom meeting. You can click on the show option to reveal it. You can also change it by heading over to the edit option here, and if you want, you can change the passcode from this box. And if you want to send an invitation, you can copy this link and then send it to anyone. From there they will be automatically able to join the room without having to enter the meeting ID, and they'll just need to enter the passcode. So that's how you can host a Zoom meeting. I really hope that you guys like this video. If you did, then hit subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more interesting videos that we'll post in the future. And that will be all for this video, and I'll be back with more. Thank you for watching.